Hi there guys, welcome back to the Farrington channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to mine Yerbas or Yerb, and I'm going to be showing you guys my 24-hour mining results as well. Okay, so to mine Yerb, what we're going to need to do is make our way over to yerbas.org, and then what we're going to do is we're going to go over to the download section and make our way over there and grab ourselves a wallet. Now what you're going to need to do is you're going to click on the Yerbas-win 2.1.14, and you're going to need this to make sure that you have a wallet address so that we can actually start to receive the payments. Now what you're going to need to do is go ahead and follow the installation once you download this, and then you'll have something that looks a little bit something like this, or will be the exact same in fact. Okay, so and then also as well, what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to take ourselves over to the XMRig and download ourselves XMRig 6.18.1. And what I will do guys is I'll leave these links for you in the description, so make sure that you go ahead and check those out as well. So once you've actually gone ahead and downloaded your XMRig and you've got your wallet installed and you've got yourself a wallet address, take yourself over to your Yerbas core, and then what we're going to need to do is go ahead and create yourself an address inside your wallet. So name this whatever you like. So this one's just going to be a test. And then what you're going to do is just put request payment. Then what you need to do is go ahead and copy that address. Then what you're going to do is take yourself over to our plan, press on connect. Then you're going to go down here and choose the miner of your choice. So for this video specifically, we're going to press on XMRig. We're going to press on Windows because that's the operating system that we're running on. I'm in Europe, and then I'm going to paste in the wallet address, name that whatever you like. So I'll use a Ryzen 7 for this specifically. Then what you need to do is go ahead and copy the miner script that's there, okay? And then what we need to do is we're going to go ahead and let's go ahead and download the XMRig just so we can go ahead and start this up and show you guys exactly how this is supposed to go. Okay, so what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to take yourself to your desktop, open this up. You're going to need something to extract this, so either 7-zip or WinRAR, which is what I'm using right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag and drop this to my desktop, and let's close this off, open this up, and what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and create a new text document, call this Yerb. Okay, and let's just open this up, paste in the script that we took from our plan. Let's go ahead and save as, put this as .bat, and then this will create another file in there. And then if we go ahead and run this, we should now be successfully mining to Yerbas. Yes we are. And what you're probably going to need to do as well is go ahead and right click on the XMRig and go to the compatibility and run as administrator, just to get yourself bypass on the MSR mod there. But you will need to restart your computer guys, make sure that you are aware of that, and then you won't have that issue in the first place. Alright, so now that as you can see there, we are successfully mining Yerbas. So let's just go ahead and take a look over at exactly how much that I've earned whilst I've been doing it, and let's see, whether it was profitable or whether it wasn't worth our time. So if we take a look over at my art plan for the day, as you can see on the 30th of November I earned 120 coins just in the last few hours of the day, and then 625 accumulating as of today. So if we actually go ahead and look at the amount that's been paid, so 746, and then we take a look over at the live coin watch, you can see here the value for that exact amount of coins is 31 cents at the time of recording this video. So when I actually was checking on Rabbit Mining's website to for the calculator to see which was the most profitable coin to mine with my hash rates, it was showing me that Yerbas was the most profitable coin to mine. So I thought what I'll do is I'll do a little bit of a test on a couple of the rigs that I have just to see how it went. And throughout the period of time, it did spike up to where the amount of coins that I earned, I think it was around about 650 coins at the time, was around near enough around about 85 cents to 90 cents, and I went ahead and got that sold over on Bitorium. So I'm not saying that this is a coin specifically that is worth mining at all, but one thing I'm doing is just speculative mining, just testing things out and seeing how things go. So as I can say, at the time of this video now making it, it has completely dropped. So you know, I can't verify that this is going to be something that will, you know, be a profitable coin to mine, as it says on its, you know, website, you know, Yerb, the good shit coin. So, you know, be aware of that in itself. It is a meme coin. It's not something, you know, that's stable out there. But, you know, compared to like mining things such as like Monero and some of the cryptocurrencies, there's nowhere near the chance that they're going to pump as much as they do, because like I say, I mined pretty much for, give or take, less than 24 hours, and the coin went up 160%, and then I was able to sell that out on, you know, the Bitorium exchange, and then get that moved over. So make sure as well, guys, that, you know, when you do receive these coins, make sure that you have got them ready to get them moved over to these exchanges, and you got them ready to sometimes sell, because if you haven't got them in there listed and got them in the order, you know, place first, then it's going to be, you know, hard to get them sold. Also, guys, please consider pressing the join button and joining the channel, as this is where I'll be posting the new cryptocurrencies and things like that I'll be mining at that specific moment. And if I'm ever doing anything speculative, that'll be changing, because yesterday this did pop up as the most profitable coin to mine. I jumped onto it immediately, and because I stayed on it even though it did drop down, there was several spikes today in the market where there was potential chances to sell this at a very, very good profit. And if you're a member of the channel, I'll always make sure to pop in there what coins I'm currently mining, when I've started mining it, and also if I feel like people should sell out on that cryptocurrency. It won't be financial advice, you'll be taking the advice from something I'll be doing myself, but if it's something that you guys are looking for. So guys, what do I think of Yerbas, and do I think it's a coin that's worth mining? So as you know already, it is the good shit coin. It's a meme coin, and there has been plenty of meme coins since the ETH merge has happened that have been, you know, profitable for, you know, very short periods of times, and that's something that should be taken, you know, into account. These coins aren't reliable, stable, or likely to, you know, ever be the biggest thing. But if, like I say, if you consider mining things such as XMR to something like, you know, Yerb, you're more than likely to get as I've seen today, you know, and I've profited on it myself, the 160% profit, or, you know, in comparison to XMR, which isn't, you know, it's not very likely that it's going to pump as high as that anytime soon within, you know, the next few days. So speculative mining is a risk, and it is something that you should take into account. I will be continuing mining on Dero. I won't be continuing mining onto Yerbas, but this has been a good 24 hours period of time. It's been the most profitable so far, but as I say, it's not something that's going to be consistently staying profitable as far as I'm aware. But I will be keeping my eyes open, and, you know, keep checking to see if things like that, you know, have changed. But as you can see, it has jumped itself down there, down to 9 cents again, and then Dero's back at the top. So I will be carrying on mining on Dero. I still have a couple other CPUs that are on Dero at the moment. I didn't stop. I just wanted to make sure to test out the Yerbas while it was, you know, high for its period of time. And as I say, guys, I was able to profit on there, and I did pop that into the membership section. So make sure, if you haven't done already, make sure to press the join button. And if you are new to the channel, please make sure to like and subscribe. And if you've already been here before, then drop it down a comment in the comment section, and let me know what you guys think of Yerbas coin, and whether you mined any, whether you guys actually took any profit on there as well. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.